What is up, guys? We are back with another video. I'm super excited about this one. I hope you guys are too. Today is the day we get to hopefully mount the tires or the wheels to the tires and then put them on the 79. I am heading to Chad's right now. I had to stop by and grab a big Cheetah tank here so we can get the tires mounted onto the wheel. And hopefully we can get all 4 of them done, get them all mounted on the truck, and then you guys can see what it looks like. I'm super excited. The wheel, the Moto Metal, is massive. I love the looks of it. I can't wait to see what it looks like on the 79. So I'm gonna get over there, hopefully get you guys some footage of us getting everything put together, and I'll get you some footage of what they look like on the truck. So stay tuned, guys. I'll see you over there.
Ryan Little.
Alright guys, well, it's the next day. Well, actually it's Monday, so it's 2 days later. Stopped by Chad's, grabbed the wheels because I need to be cleaned up from all the goop we stuck on there just to get them blown up. But got to return the Cheetah, and then I'm going to take those to work with me, get them pressure washed off, and then just drop them back by his house. So I stopped by, grabbed some photos of them and stuff, so make the video a little bit longer and you guys can actually see what they look like. There's a little bit of stretched lip on it, which it's not bad. It looks pretty good. So I'm gonna jump in the truck, get this returned, and then we'll head to work and get those pressure washed. What is up, guys? We are back. We are at work. I hope you guys can hear me. Basically what I'm gonna do is just try and get these clean, as well as clean my truck and sweep up the inside. So I'm gonna do that real quick because it is beyond needing a inside cleaning. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll probably bring you guys back and let you guys watch me clean up those tires or try and clean them up. I don't know how well it's gonna come off, but I'm gonna try and pressure wash them, and then if that doesn't work, I have some bug juice stuff I can throw on the front and at least get it somewhat clean. So stay tuned. Well, guys, there we go. I got those pretty much cleaned up. Now I'm just gonna wash the outside of my truck. But I gotta drop those back off to Chad tonight. He saw us to balance them. So I just wanna get them cleaned up so that goop and all that didn't throw off the balance, because I mean, that stuff is pretty tacky and can get heavy. So that's why I cleaned them off. I gotta pick up lug nuts for it yet, so I'm probably gonna do that and hopefully get at least two of them thrown on tonight. He's still gotta do some front end work, so we probably won't be able to put the front ones on, but at least we can get the back ones mounted up. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and get my truck cleaned up real quick, and then hopefully I'll pick you guys up when we're dropping these back off at Chad's.
Brian Little.
Japan.
Alright guys, well you can see we got the tires mounted, not all the way on there. I just have 2 lug nuts on each one. I still have to get lug nuts. Went to the O'Reilly Auto Parts and they're like $8 for a pack of 4 of them, so I'm just gonna have Chad order them. But just to give you a view of what the truck's gonna look like, there you go. I'm probably going to change the rear leaf spring pack out just because it's sagging a little bit. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell on camera or not, but it is sagging, so I'm probably gonna have to change it over or put an add a leaf or do a flip shackle on the back or something, just to raise it up some. But there you go. I mean, they basically flush with the side of the bed here. Looks pretty good. I love the look of it. Still have to put the center caps on, the Moto Metal ones that are in the box here, but we still have to change just some of the front end parts around too. But basically, overview of the truck. Gonna redo the headache rack. Back bumper's gonna come off. Eventually change out the mirrors and stuff. All front end parts are gonna be black. Gunmetal gray, sunburnt orange, and then a black pinstriping, and then everything. There's probably gonna be a lick of chrome on the truck. It's either gonna be gray, orange, or black. I think if I go with a cowl hood, I'm probably gonna do one of those rustic American flag looks to it, just to kind of change it up. And then we also might, depending on if we can or not, run a set of traction bars just to set it apart. But I don't know how well we will be able to, just because of the frame design on these trucks. But definitely love the looks of it. Let me know what you think of it down in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. Peace.